Welcome to my YouTube channel EIA tutorial. As you see in my previous video that how to make circuit of high pass filter, in this video I will tell you how to make circuit of band pass filter in Multisim. So now let's start the video. Firstly, you have to click on place component. In component basic, select capacitor and search capacitor of 0.01 microfarad. Then click OK and capacitor, place it on breadboard. Now select inductor of 0.1 millihenry and select resistor of 1 kilo ohm, and all these elements place it on breadboard for the circuit. Now for the output we want function generator and oscilloscope for the completion of circuit. In right hand side you will see a list of components. In this you have to select function generator and select oscilloscope. Now for the joining of circuit you have to connect first point of capacitor to inductor, another point inductor connected to resistor, resistor connected to common point of function generator, and another point of capacitor connected to the positive point of function generator. Now a point of oscilloscope connected to the common point of inductor and resistor, and B point of oscilloscope connected to the positive point of function generator. Now for the ground, click place, click on source and select ground. You have to place ground on A point of oscilloscope, B point of oscilloscope, and in the common bit of the circuit between inductor and resistor. Now we have to name the wire V input and V output. Click on show and click OK. For the output, start simulation, click green button or press F5 key. Now you will see a wave has been running, and that is the output of band pass filter. If you want the clarity of wave, then you will set the scale position, XY position, change level of voltage to 1 and X position of channel A, channel B. Now you will see how the clarity of wave has been shown. Now for the output of graph, you have to open simulate. In simulate, click analysis and simulation. In this you have to select AC sweep and change. In output you have to add the point on which you will see the output. Select V in, V out and add. Now click on run and you will see the graph has been shown, and it will only allow a band of frequency to pass. You will see output of graph by changing the range of frequency like 10 gigahertz to 10 kilohertz or 10 kilohertz to 10 hertz. Now see, it has been moved towards 10 kilohertz. Now you will also see graph by simply adding V output in output. This This is all about to our video. Now, if you have any query, do comment in the comment box. Thank you for watching me. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.